Okay.
Currently, the world is actually facing a very, very serious issue, and that is the antimicrobial resistance in the wastewater of the pharmaceutical industry in India and China. What we experienced, and this has been done by German researchers last year, by Professor Lübert from Leipzig University. They have experienced that in India the pharmaceutical industry is actually producing all antibiotics, including the reserve antibiotics. And in the wastewater we can find that multi-resistant bacteria is developing in this wastewater, and the resistance is against all antibiotics, including the reserve antibiotics. Think about the effect that has on every person. That because all the pharmaceutical products that you are delivered by the pharmaceutical industry, they don't work anymore if the multi-resistant bacteria are resistant against anything that's produced in this pharmaceutical industry. And that is has been evaluated in India. In May 2017, 110 million people were affected by these multi-resistant bacteria, and this number is growing extremely. If you are a traveler from India to Abu Dhabi or through the Middle East into Europe or other countries, you are actually in danger, because 90 to 95%, due to the studies of Professor Lübert, of the people on the planes have those multi-resistant bacteria on them. So we have a big chance to also get them. It can affect everybody. It is not dependent on the age, on the caste. It's not depending on the education. It can affect everybody from one day to another. By the way, just one small remark. The G20 health ministers have done a declaration, the so-called Berlin Declaration, that was made in May 2017, to call antimicrobial resistance the biggest threat to life on Earth. But it's not only a threat to life on Earth, but it's also the biggest threat to our economy, because we lose 3 to 5% of the overall global GDP annually to the problems of antimicrobial resistance. So this is just a brief introduction to the topic. You can go on Google or search machines to find about all those issues. Thanks a lot.